I'm at a house here in Magness community in Cabot, and I wanted to show that we just bought this and it took about 20 days to close. This house was actually on the market. Now, the seller didn't want to wait around and look for the highest and best price because it needed a little work done to it. It needed some repairs. So we offered as is. We actually offered a 0-day inspection, which really perturbed the seller in a way that he didn't have to wait on the repairs of the inspection, because we came in and just offered as is, cash, no inspection period. So if you have a house and you're thinking of selling, even if it looks like this and not really all messed up, that's okay. We'll buy anything in any condition. The point is, I want you to look at the market versus us. The market might give you a higher price, but at what point do you have to wait for it and what costs you to incur? We come in, offer a guaranteed offer, 0-day inspections as is, pay all closing. Little Rock Property Buyers.